Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a video completely free and without a watermark using VN. Video editor first. Open the VN app on your device. On the main screen, tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video or photos you want to edit, then tap Next. Inside the editor, you'll see the timeline where you can cut, trim, or rearrange your clips. You can add music, text, filters, or transitions to make your video more engaging. If you want to adjust details, just tap the clip and use the editing tools at the bottom. Now, here's the best part. When you're done editing, tap the Export button at the top right. VN allows you to export your video in up to 4,000 quality, completely free, and there's no watermark at all. Unlike many other apps, you don't need to pay or upgrade to remove branding. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then tap Export. Once the process finishes, your video will be saved to your device gallery, ready to share anywhere without a watermark, and that's it. With VN, you can create professional-looking videos for free, no strings attached. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.